Looking but no.
Here you go. Come here. You two turn around and we'll get a picture of you guys with the alligator behind you.
Oh, I got a fit?
It is swimming. Okay, can you turn around real quick? Alex, turn around.
Population explosion here.
Yeah, that's a lot of them. They're all piled up on land. There's one.
They got little babies on top of them.
You got video too?
This one on top of them.
Oh, look at that one over there. Snapping around at something.
You guys think you're up in a tree, but one of these days you're going to land on the ground and I'm going to catch you.
He was like,
There's one in the water right there.
Underwater?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Can't really see him.
Oh, wow. Right underneath it.
Yep.
Yeah, right here. I wonder if some of them are statues.
Hmm?
That one right there. Looks like some of them are statues, I think.
No, that's just the way they are.
Can they close their eyes?
Yeah.
I think some of them are not real. Pretty sure.
Over there, there's movement.
Oh, wow. Somebody's waking up and woke up the whole pack, huh? Uh-oh. What's going on? Feeding time? Some activity going on, all right. They're all coming alive, huh?
Look, they're all moving to the right too now.
I guess they're just trying to disprove me, I guess. Oh, the sun came out. Maybe they're trying to get the sun.
Those two are swimming towards each other.
These are just the babies.
I know, I love them.
I want to keep one.
I want one.
Aunt Louise, can I have a baby
No,
alligator?
no,
You
they're
never
not
let me have
pets. They're
anything.
not
You
domesticated.
never let me have anything.
Can't have an alligator.
Oh,
they're all
I guess I was wrong.
moving.
They're all coming alive. They look alive now. Wow.
That's how they blend into
Yeah, I think they really
camouflage.
look like stone.
That's how they get their
When their
prey.
eyes are closed.
That's how they get their prey. They camouflage and no one knows them, then they get them.
This guy doesn't like being in the middle. That's pretty awesome. These other guys. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.